Welcome to New Road Rush. Today, we're looking at one of the most extreme combinations of luxury and engineering ever put on wheels, the 2026 Bugatti Luxurious Motorhome. Bugatti, a brand synonymous with hypercars and high performance, has stepped into the motorhome market, and as expected, they've done it in a way no one else could. This is not your typical recreational vehicle. It's a masterpiece designed for those who demand ultra-luxury, speed, and exclusivity even on the open road. From the very first glance, the exterior of the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is unlike anything else. It's bold, sculpted, and unmistakably Bugatti. The front fascia borrows heavily from the Chiron and Bolide, with a large horseshoe grille, razor-sharp LED headlights, and aggressive air intakes that aren't just for show. They actively manage airflow to reduce drag and cool the massive powertrain. The entire body is built from carbon fiber reinforced panels, making it incredibly strong and lightweight for its size. Along the sides, the sleek aerodynamic profile flows seamlessly from front to rear, with deep character lines and flush-mounted digital mirrors that replace traditional side mirrors. The massive side windows are tinted and framed in aluminum, adding elegance and privacy. Bugatti's signature C-shaped curve, usually seen on their sports cars, is also integrated into the body structure as a tribute to the brand's design legacy. The 24-inch lightweight forged alloy wheels are wrapped in high-performance touring tires and fill out the wide fender flares, giving it an aggressive stance while maintaining road comfort. At the rear, you'll find full-width old tail lights that span across the body, integrated seamlessly with a sculpted rear diffuser and quad exhaust outlets. The active rear spoiler adjusts automatically based on speed and driving conditions, enhancing both stability and presence. Even when parked, this motorhome looks like it belongs on a racetrack. Performance-wise, the 2026 Bugatti Motorhome is an engineering marvel. It's powered by a newly developed hybrid powertrain that combines a 7.0-liter W16 quad-turbocharged engine with 3 electric motors. This setup produces a jaw-dropping 1,200 horsepower, making it the most powerful motorhome in the world. The power is delivered through a state-of-the-art all-wheel drive system and an 8-speed dual-clutch transmission. Acceleration is shocking for a vehicle of this size, reaching 0 to 60 miles per hour in under 4.8 seconds. Despite its performance, the ride is surprisingly smooth thanks to Bugatti's adaptive suspension system, which continuously monitors road conditions and adjusts damping in real time. The air suspension lowers the vehicle at high speeds for better aerodynamics and raises it for rough terrain or urban driving. The steering is sharp and responsive, giving the driver full confidence. Whether cruising through mountains or merging onto highways, Bugatti has also integrated regenerative braking with carbon ceramic discs for strong, fade-free stopping power. Fuel efficiency, while not the main focus, is enhanced by the electric assist system, allowing for short-range silent electric driving in urban areas. The 2026 Bugatti Luxurious Motorhome isn't just transportation, it's a moving work of art and performance. Built for the elite, designed for the future, and engineered like no other. Thanks for watching New Road Rush. Be sure to subscribe for more automotive excellence and luxury road innovations.